Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing more reacting to Goal Horns. I got some really good feedback from my little series that I did reacting to the 2020 Goal Horns for all of the NHL teams. Shout out to Famous Goal Horns. They are the ones who I'm using for today's videos and all of the previous videos, so shout out to them for creating these little sound bits. Today's playlist that I'm listening from called Special Goal Horns. It looks like it was some throwbacks, requests, and etc. But that's great because I don't believe I've heard any of these before. So without further ado, let's get into our first one. It looks like this is the 2014 Colorado Avalanche playoff goal. Got a little siren in there. I don't think this is their song now. That's someone else's goal horn, I'm pretty sure. I'll have to figure that out after this. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty simple goal horn. It's a good song to chant with. Not the first part, but the second part I would have been pretty hype about, so it was okay. Let's see what this next one is. Buffalo Sabres 1999 playoffs goal horn. Got an ad first. Woo! That's crunchy. They have a siren as well. That was an interesting transition. It's a good song though. That horn was so crunchy though. Woo! I guess the song's a little chunky too, or crunchy, I guess I should say. Woo. Okay. That was a pretty good one. Not too bad for 1999. Okay, so this next one is the New Jersey Devils 2012 playoff overtime goal horn. I wonder if they had a different one for the regular time. I don't know what that sound is. I think it's unnecessary though. Oh. Hey, you suck. They like using that in their songs, but this was in the other one too. Oh, the Rangers, you suck. That's funny. That's funny. And I'm a Rangers fan right now because of Artemi Panarin, but the Devils really like telling other teams that they suck. That one was my favorite of the 3 that we've done so far. So, good job, 2012 New Jersey Devils. Okie dokie, on to the next. It looks like we have the Tampa Bay Lightning 2004 playoffs goal horn, and I definitely was not watching hockey back then, so. Solid horn. Wow, that was a 10-second long horn. You're joking, right? I'm officially over that song. Next one, hopefully doesn't have that song in it. This one just says San Jose Sharks old goal horn. I think the San Jose Sharks are an expansion team, so I'm sure it's not that old. How old, I'm not sure. Let's see if it says. I don't know. All right, so let's see what the old goal horn was. Deep. And in beat. Okay, it is the same song, but I love this rendition. And a sweet drum solo at the end. Okay, so pretty much all of them have had that song in it. And I swear to God, if the Montreal Canadiens of 2010 have the same one in it, then, well, I listened to the same song times 6. Woo! Very high-pitched. Oof, that horn. Okay. I liked it, but it needed like a chant in it, you know, not just eee. But it was different. I'll give it credit for that. I don't think there was anything too special about that, but I'm glad I did it. I learned that a lot of NHL teams really like that song, and I can't even think of the name of it right now, so probably get shamed in the comments for that. But I hope you enjoyed this version of reacting to NHL Goal Horns. Special shout out to Famous Goal Horns. I'll link their channel here or here, not sure which, but they're the channel that I use for finding all these goal horns from, so big shout out to them. I really enjoy making these videos and other videos, so please let me know in the comments below if you like these NHL Goal Horn videos or if you want to see anything else on my channel. I make a lot of hockey related content, trying to increase that and just get some awareness of some different side of hockey other than just men's content. So if you like what you saw, be sure to give this video a like, comment below like I said, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.